Hey friends, guess where I am? I'm in our garden. Thought I would come and check it out and maybe see what's growing. It's probably changed a lot since the last time we were here. Remember, we were over here. We were standing right on these logs over here. And some of you might remember doing some sketching in your plant journals out here. So maybe this time you can do some on your home on your own at home. First, I wanted to show you one of my favorite flowers, the lilac bush that's growing out here. And down here, there's some calendula, which is actually edible. You can eat that if you want. Let's go look and see what else is growing. Ooh, this got big. A lot of you, when we were doing our drawings, chose to draw these. And if you remember their name, they're called chives. So right now they've got all these awesome blooms on here, and if you get up close you can see. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, there's some little honeybees. And actually that's why we left them out here and didn't take the blossoms away, so that the bees would have something to eat. Let's see, what else have we got over here? Oh my gosh, look how big these strawberry plants are getting. They're huge. Got some flowers on them. Yep, those are gonna make some yummy strawberries. Let's see, what else? All right, this plant with the colorful stalk right here is some Swiss chard. And we've got some leeks over here, which are a type of onion. This is the lettuce that Scout and Felix helped me plant, and it got real big. It was just little baby lettuces before, but this is some red lettuce. And then we also planted everybody's favorite, spinach. It's pretty good though. It'll be delicious. Let's see. Oh, over in this bed, there's some peas. They're not ready yet. They'll be ready later. Got some more peas over here. Oh, and I wonder if you know what this is gonna be. If you have a guess, let me know what you think it is. More leeks. In fact, maybe we could pull one up and see what it looks like. A big one. So the part you want to eat is going to be underneath the ground. Oh, yeah. So basically, it's like a smaller type of onion, but you eat more of the stalk than you would of a regular onion. That'll be tasty. We'll do something with that. We'll put it right here. Got some more lettuce right here. Some romaine lettuce. And some more lettuce right over here. Let's go look at some more strawberries. They're the ones that Mrs. Howell's class planted, and some of them you can already see the berries. Okay, here's our little greenhouse back here. Got some other cool stuff growing. All right, so for her class, every student has a little strawberry plant growing, and they're doing really well in the greenhouse. And look, I already got some berries on there. That looks so good. And these little guys right here, that's basil. Makes me think of pizza and spaghetti sauce. And then over here, got some little mint starts. I bet you remember what that smells like. And then some other little succulents over here. Pretty cool. All right, so now that we got to take a look at the garden, I'm gonna head back home and then we're gonna talk about the parts of the plant and think about which parts of the plants that we eat at home. And then I'll have some other questions for you. All right, I'm back at home now. That made me really hungry, so I'm just gonna fix myself a sandwich. And I was gonna ask you guys some questions too. So now that we're back, I was wondering what your favorite vegetable is. And when you're thinking about that vegetable, like let's say that I was gonna talk about celery being my favorite vegetable. It's not, but we're just gonna say that it is. Celery, what part of the plant are you eating when you eat a stalk of celery? So the celery is actually the stem of the plant. So think about that. So you're gonna think, okay, what's my favorite vegetable? And then once you figure that out, tell me what part of the plant you're eating when you're eating your favorite vegetable. So that's just vegetables. But when you're talking about other parts of the plant, remember when we labeled our parts of the plant? There's the flower, there's the stem, there's the leaf, there's the root. So other than your favorite vegetable, what is your favorite either fruit or your favorite leaf or your favorite root? So like if you're talking about what your favorite root is, maybe that's a carrot. Or if you're talking about what your favorite leaf is, that could be lettuce or spinach. And if you're talking about your favorite fruit, maybe that's peach or maybe like a blueberry. So even if you think about the last meal that you had, so my last meal that I had is gonna be this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's look at it. Let's look at it more closely. I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So if I was gonna talk about my last meal and what plant parts are in it, the bread comes from seeds, from wheat. This jam, let's see, is, blueberry, which is a fruit, and also rhubarb, which is a stem of a plant. And then the peanut butter also comes from a seed. So this is an all plant meal right here. So I want you to do that too. Think about the last thing that you ate and tell me about what parts of the plants were in that.